Okay, what's happening, everybody? Real quick, I hopped in here to give you day 2 of the trading robot. This is the Cloud Breakout. This is the first trading robot that I was successfully able to master and take trades on. So we're going to look at some more trades that it took, and we're going to talk about these trades. As you can see, I have it set up to get a pop-up notification. This pop-up notification also comes to my phone because I have my MT4 connected to my phone. So anytime there's an alert on a 1 hour chart that I have it set on, it gives me plenty of time to go check it out. If I want to take the trade, all I do is simply head over to auto trading and click it. Once I click it, it will take the trade, as you can see. Okay, so let's break down what trades we have available. Let's start with
we have a possible change to bullish momentum.
Pardon me, that's the other talking robot. US 30 is taking a small little trade here. This trade is it's doing a sell. The momentum is showing that the actual market is starting to try and buy, but that's the beauty of this. You have the indicator here at the bottom, and it's letting you know that the market is a little bit indecisive. So what you got to do in this type of situation is watch the trade. But what I'm gonna do, because I'm a smart man, is okay, it's not letting me do it. It's not letting me close the trade manually. Of course it's not. Hanko trade, right there you go. As a smart man, I'm going to close the trade because that's too indecisive for me. If you want, you can stay in that trade, but I'm not doing it. I don't take chances that or that like that. If I don't know what the market is doing and I'm not 100% sure, this looks like a little bit of a range area for me, so I'm closing that trade. It wasn't profit, of course, but you can lose trades too because the market can decide to go another way on you. That's why you have to monitor your trades. These arrows are another indicator that don't come with the system, so please pay these no mind. I put them on there because you may want to put these indicators together. Okay, so I'm going to do separate videos on everything you see, but for now, let's stick to the cloud. Okay, so what's the next one on the list? The next one on the list is silver. So let's look for silver, and let's take this chart to the back. And as you can see, this is a nice trade right here. We took a silver trade. It dropped out of the cloud automatically. The robot took this trade. So let's secure some partials on this. Let's put it right over that wick. Okay, looking good, looking good. Okay, so silver trade looking good, making some money. You know what we should do? What we should do is put the value so I can see how much money it is, okay? Let's just see how much money that is. Yeah, looking good, as you can see. Trading robot did that, okay? So that's a good amount of money. Let's go to the Euro GJ. That's a big trade right there. A big breakout. And like you guys I keep telling you guys, this is it. See what I'm saying? We got almost 200 pips on a breakout. I didn't even know this was here. Look at this, guys. This is a 200 pip trade that I didn't even know I took. Once again, let's look at how much money that is, because that's going to be at least 2 G's, right? Let's see. Okay, 1,400. Not bad. I'll take it. Okay, so let's secure partials on this as well. Let's put it right over the wick, because you see there's a clear level for the sales to continue. Right. So, okay, that's another good trade. Surprisingly, I walked into that. NZD, JPY. Where is that at? Down here. Let's check you out. Another one. Looking decent. Very nice, very nice. Let's secure some partials. Let's put it right over this body. Okay, this ain't gonna be that much, but hey, something's better than nothing. Let's see how much the profit is. Okay, and boom. Yeah, okay, so I'll take it. I'll take that. Any profit is better than no profit. Okay, so that's it. In the NZD USD, another small trade, but hey, I'll take it because this was all done while I was outside. I wasn't even monitoring the charts when this happened. Okay, oh, there's a special version of this. I have to find the special version of this, which kind of annoying that they do that. I think this is it, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so let's secure the partials. All right, let's see what we got. Let's put the profit on there. All right, see? So altogether, we cleared a good amount of money today on this. Now, I'm going to just tell you guys flat out, that's it. I was going to do it for a week. It's no need to. I'm going to move on to another robot. We got to get these robots out for you guys to help you automate your trading. So, What we're gonna do is I'm gonna stop. I'll put day 1 up, and then put day 2 up. That's enough, because I let this robot run on its own for 2 days with any monitoring of it, and it was on the 1 hour. So the reason I used the 1 hour is because I didn't want it to be choppy. If it was going to be a breakout, there's chances of a breakout always coming back, like you see right here where I'm pointing on the map. If you look at this breakout, it didn't really break out. But if you're monitoring your trade like you're supposed to, this is where it would have took the buy, and you would have got 13 pips. You'd have got 13 pips, 14, 15 pips. Okay. So, it's really about you monitoring your trades. But honestly, that's not what I call a breakout. This is a breakout right here. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely a breakout. Let's check it out. This would have broke out right here, and from here, or here, let's just use this actual breakout. This is the moment it broke out. When it broke out to here, you would have got 137 pips for the day right there. Okay? If you'd stayed in it, you'd have been at 154 pips. Now, I turned this robot on 2 days ago, so I didn't catch that move. I had just missed this move because it happened the day before. Going into the day that I turned it on, I would have had all this. Just like I got the 198 pips on Euro GJ, I would have had it on this too. See, because that move is the same move if you really look at it. If you're paying attention to your trading, it's the same move. So this is the cloud breakout. This is the first robot that I mastered. This is how I learned how to catch 100 pips and more. I used to get 10, 20 pips without even looking. I decided I want more. And that's when I was introduced to the cloud, and that's when I started studying the cloud. And this is the easiest robot that I learned to trade on. The learning curve is very minimal. So after a while of trading and practicing on this, you'll be able to catch the breakouts very easy. But you're not going to be able to do it right away. You have to practice with this. This is just like any kind of martial art or kung fu. If you never use a pair of nunchucks, you're not going to pick them up and start beating people like Bruce Lee, okay? So it's the same method to this. You got to treat it the same way, okay? So you practice with it for a little bit, you'll be good at it. The learning curve is very light, it's very small, and it's definitely made for beginners. So that's it. I'm going to move on to another robot, because this robot has been on for 2 days, and it's just straight killing the market. The market is giving us breakouts, and it's taking them. I'm not going to say that it's making you into a great trader. You can trade this on your own, but the robot's doing it for you. And imagine, I was off doing a whole bunch of other stuff, and for 2 days straight, this robot killed it. And that's why I always recommend this robot, because from day one, once I learned how to use it, I've been killing the market with it. Okay, so for everybody that asks, how do I get breakouts? And how do I get so many pips? This was the indicator and robot that taught me. Now, if you buy just the indicator, you'll get this at the bottom. But I'm going to make a separate video just talking about that briefly. But for now, let's just keep it based on this indicator, because this is the cloud breakout, as you can see in the right-hand corner. And it's available on TradeGameOfficial.com. If you want it, guys, go get it. I recommend you go get it, okay? There's no reason not to go get it. And I'm out of here. Peace.